Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We use the special characteristics of an understanding of the meaning so that our self-originating awareness is beyond causes and conditions. The sun that is a maker of clarity is not a lamp. We do not abide by the dharmas of other causes and conditions. Our own experience is that we abide within the nine. It is like the dawn of a self-originating sun. Unsupported awareness is self-luminous. All of us are equally brought to dust. We do not know any sure measure of the time. We fade into the sky, and we are ended. Just so, there is a hidden meaning that will not be clear. Due to our not understanding what a champion's gemstone is, we become paupers. In the same way, we may abide eternally in the space of self-luminosity, but if we do not find the Upadesha instructions that are sure, we will not find any purpose we are sure of. Those endowed with methods to please their guru will use the Upadesha instructions they desire. That is sure, but they will act to harm the Upadesha instructions of the oral transmission. Without them, we are like blind people who are hunting for a road. Our wisdom is born as an unstructured clear light. It shines in the space of ceaseless awareness. Thusness is the conclusion of our awareness. The measure of the time must be explained by a guru. In this way, the teachings that are clear do not move. From the first on up to the 53rd, there is not even the least thing that grows or does not grow. The fire tongues of wisdom shine as a blazing light. They are nothing at all. In a single moment, there is the supreme transmission of a heart essence of self-clarity. We abide in a space of unspeakable awareness. At first, we have a samadhi of attributions. Second, we are like hybrid beings. Third is the transmission of unmoving equanimity. Fourth is like a waterfall that does not spill. Fifth is like the pervasive space of the sky. The special quality of a single awareness divides us individually, according to the way that we appear.